A plastic ocean. Plastic is creating a 400-year problem. That's 16 generations.
91% of plastics are not recycled. Plastics use as much as fossil fuel as airlines. 99% of plastics causes climate change. Marine animals are under threat. 1 million seabirds die every year, ultimately affecting us. We are eating plastic. We are drinking plastic. We are breathing plastic. In the past 60 seconds, 3 million plastic bags and bottles were sold. 2091 billion units. Half of the world's plastic came from Asia. Solutions and innovation.
Ako po ay na-attend ng interview regarding po sa mga plastic waste, kung paano po nakamanage yung mga basura po. So, andito po ako para po interviewin kayo regarding kung siya ng inyong barangay na pinakaharap, which is the plastic waste sa inyong pong coastal area. So, may I ask what are the different solutions po na inyong pong ginawa para ma-prevent po yung pag-widespread po ng mga plastic waste, particularly po in your coastal area?
Bilang executive leader ng aming barangay, together with the Barangay Council, I would like to say thank you to Barangay Ecological Solid Waste Management Council sa pangunguna ni Kagawad Isiya Kayaw for proposing those ordinances. And we conduct public hearing to consult our residents here in our barangay, and they all agree to set that ordinance. So, as a chairperson, I approved and together with the Barangay Council, we implemented to reduce the widespread of plastic waste in public places, particularly in coastal area. In addition, our national government issued and released memorandum stated that we have to conduct synchronized simultaneous coastal field drive and conducted off-land product basura twice a month. Dahil gusto ko po maging zero waste ang aming pumulan.
Okay, thank you so much po ma'am sa inyong time.
Good day, ma'am.
Ma'am Kisiya, can I ask, as a committee of Barangay Ecological Solid Waste Management Council, what did you do to prevent the spreading of plastic waste in your barangay, particularly in your coastal area?
Today po, bilang committee chair ng Barangay Ecological Solid Waste Management Council, I'm the one who lead for the proposal of the ordinances. So we have the two ordinances. The first one is the ordinance number 01, series of 2025, an ordinance prohibition of burning and throwing garbage everywhere, most especially to public places and coastal area. And the second one is the ordinance number 021, series of 2025, an ordinance implementing every household to create their own compost pit, improvised trash bin for the proper waste segregation.
Have you faced different challenges in implementing your ordinances?
At first, yes, because some residents did not obey the ordinances, especially children's. However, in few months of enforcing the implementation of the state ordinances, gradually it helps minimize the spreading of plastic waste, particularly in coastal area.
Magandang araw din po sa inyo, sir. Ano po yung maipaglilingkod ko sa inyo?
Nandito po ako ngayon para mag-interview patungkol sa issue na tinatharapin ng barangay, which is about plastic waste na kumakalat sa inyong mga baybayin. So, as a chairperson or youth leader, anong mga proyekto, plano, or aktibidad na inyong ginawa to mitigate the spreading of plastic waste in your barangay coastal area?
As a SK chairperson in our barangay, kami ng aking mga SK council ay nag-participate ng Barkada or Barangay Kalinisan Day na kung saan pumupulot kami ng basura sa mga baybayin tuwing araw ng Sabado at sinisegregate namin ito, yung plastic tsaka ang bote.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagpapalat sa hapong ito.
Maraming salamat din po sa inyo, sir.
Hello, Ma'am Jamaica. As a citizen of this barangay, how did you help with the prevention of spreading the plastic waste here in your area or in your barangay?
Okay po. As a citizen po na ang gusto din is to listen the plastic waste in our barangay. Nakiisa po ako sa panukalang ordinansa na pinapatupad ng aming barangay patungkol sa usaping basura. So, isa na rin po rito ang synchronized simultaneous coastal cleanup drive dito po sa aming lugar. And our barangay officials, together with Barangay Ecological Solid Waste Management Council, conducted information education campaign po to help us kung paano tamang pag-segregate ng aming mga basura.
Ocean is worth fighting for. Together, we can turn the tide on plastic pollution and protect these vital ecosystems for generations to come.